welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, how you doing? My name is Ash. I'm a makeup artist and book lover, and today I'm playing with the brand new Melt Cosmetics and Bailey Sarian collab. So I was able to grab this a little bit earlier because they did a soft launch and I just jumped on it because I needed it. I got the full collection. I'm so happy with it. This is the look that I did, but let's talk about the products. So the box actually came with these stickers. Very cute. I love the make good choices. And then there's just two cards with Bailey's face and her little note here. She's just so gorgeous. So this is the Fatally Yours collection, and it comes with not a makeup bag, but a little purse. Like, this is adorable. It's embossed with Fatally Yours, and on the back it has Melt Bailey Sarian. Obviously you can't fit a ton in here. I love that the inside is plaid. So you can't fit a ton in here, but it is so cute. I am so glad I have this. I can see me maybe using this like in the spring and summertime because I like a smaller bag. Come then, I might have to change my wallet because my wallet will not fit in here. So as I talk about the next products, I'll throw up swatches too. This collection came with 4 mini ultra matte lipsticks. These are very, very pretty, but very, very matte. So we have Wolfsbane, Gallerina, Hemlock, and Nutmeg. Beautiful, beautiful shades. Adore those. There's also a liquid lipstick set. This comes with 3 shades in Flame Lily, Foxglove, and Weeping Fig. I already know that I like the liquid lipstick formula for Melt. They are phenomenal. They're not like super drying. The bullet lipsticks though, very drying. There are 2 ultra matte gel liners. Nightshade is a beautiful purpley blue color, and then we have a true black. This is Onyx. And then there's also 2 glitter eye gels. You have this beautiful green. This is Boom Slang, and then you have a beautiful purple in Wisteria. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. But the most important piece of this collection is this palette. It came with this little insert that you slide in the palette. You have her eyes on here, and this is the inside of it. It is absolutely gorgeous. It's all matte. I'm going to try to pronounce the shade names. I might screw up a few of these, but you have Arsenic, Cyanide, Thallium, Mercury, Serum, Phosgene, Ricin, Kerosene, Strychnine, and Lead. I might have said some of those wrong. Even though this is my first impression of this, I am blown away with this entire collection. So without further ado, let's just get started with the makeup portion. Alright, I'm going to start by priming my eyes with my Anastasia eye primer. This is my go-to primer. I have no issues with this primer, so that's a great way to test out this palette. So let me just apply this really quick. I don't exactly have an idea of what sort of look I want to do. I'm really intrigued with these green shades. I am a sucker for green, but this blue is really pretty, so maybe I'll try to play around with that. And I know I want to use Boom Slang, the glitter. I want to use that one instead of the purple one. And I'll probably go in with the Onyx liner instead of the purple one, but as of right now, I don't know what I'm going to do. So I'm going to start with this shade here. This is Phosgene. I don't know if I should be zoomed in more or not. So I'm just going to sweep this in my crease. This is an all matte palette, which I absolutely love that it is all matte. Like, I like the shimmer formula that Melt has, but I adore their matte so much. And not too many companies will go and do an all matte palette anymore. That shade went on a little funky, but it blended out pretty well. There is a lot of kickback that is in the palette. These are very, very powdery. Okay, I'm going to switch over to a clean brush, and I'm going to go into the shade Cyanide, and I'm going to use that to kind of blend out the edge. Just a little bit right above. I don't know if I like being zoomed in further. Tell me in the comments, what do you prefer? Very, very close or a decent distance apart? I love these tones together. I love Bailey Sarian. I'll be honest, I am not a true crime girly, as they say. I find the videos fascinating, but I don't go out of my way to like look up about serial killers or like murders and whatnot. It's just not something that I do. If that's what you like to do though, go for it. I'm gonna change it up a bit now. I'm gonna go in with Kerosene down here, and I'm gonna try to put that like down here. So just a little bit of Kerosene, beautiful like blue. Ooh. Yes. I knew I wanted to play with that blue shade just because it is so pretty. I think I'm going to go in with Sarian. This is like a beautiful reddy purpley color. And I'm going to use a similar brush. I'm going to add that on my outer edge. Just going to stamp it and slowly start blending that into the Kerosene shade. I love those 2 shades together. That is so pretty. That'd be really pretty like all on the lid. Maybe I'll try that next time I use this palette. Just do a light blend right in the center. I'm going to now go back to the top. I think I'm not going to go in with lead. I think I'm just going to try and go in with Strichnite. Oh my god, I cannot say these names. I'm going to go in that shade. It's a beautiful dark blue. Alright, got a little bit of fallout with that. I'll clean that up in a second. But I think these shades are going to play very well together. But yeah, I am loving that. I am really liking how that's all blending together, but now I'm at like a loss of what I want to do on the lid. It's like, obviously I could go in with like the glitter gel, but I feel like that'd be very messy, and plus I want to put like this green one like on the in the corner. I think that'd be really pretty. I'm gonna take a flat brush. I'm gonna go in with kerosene. This could be a mistake. I'm known to do that. I'm just gonna pop that all on the lid. You know what? I actually like how that looks. Yes, yes, yes. I'm into that. I almost feel like a grungy mermaid. I'll go back into Fauxine, however you say that. I'm just gonna reblend the crease. Before I get too far ahead, I'm gonna take the KVD Beauty Tattoo Pencil Liner and I'm gonna put that in my waterline and tightline with it. Yeah, I think I'm actually gonna try out Nightshade as my liner today. It's a beautiful, like deep, deep purple. I think that'll work for the purple on the lower lash line and kind of just really tie it all in together. And I'm going to be using an angled brush. This is from Anastasia. This is the 12 brush. It is a brow brush, but this works phenomenal for wing liner. I will say from the swatches that I did, the purple one is a lot more creamier and the black one is a lot more like thicker, a little harder to work with. But let's see if I can do this. I'm going to start with the wing. I haven't used a gel liner in a very long time. That is a beautiful shade of purple. It's so deep, it's almost black. I will say though, it's a little hard to work with and it might be this brush, but it's almost like a little patchy. You kind of gotta go a little bit thick with it. Once it's on, it's very pretty. Now let's see if I can match this on the other eye. Semi-even. Now for what I think will be the star of the show is this Boom Sling one. This is so pretty. This is a little bit more sheer than the purple one, but I'm hoping once it's on, it'll stay and be gorgeous. Also, take caution if you're putting this around your eye. You don't want to get glitter in your eye. That is so pretty. I love that. I'm gonna finish off the eyes off camera, but I wanna figure out what lip would go well with this. These mini ones are so cute. I don't know what would go best with the tones. Maybe very vampy? Maybe. I don't think the red will work with this though. We'll try Wolfsbane. Beautiful, very deep. These are matte. That is very, very vampy. Very, very pretty. I kind of want to lighten it. I'm just going to take a little brush. This isn't a lip brush. I'm just going to pick up a little bit of Gallerina and see if I can like pat this in the center. I kind of don't love that, but I'm going to roll with it because I don't feel like taking it off. The mattes in here are really pretty. Actually, this probably would have lightened it up. This one is Foxglove. A little lighter. Better, but not perfect. I am going to finish off my eyes. I'm going to pick out a lash to my mascara, and then I'll be back to wrap up this video, so give me 1 second. Alright, and here is the finished look. I actually really like how this came out. I think the lashes really pulled it together. And the lashes I ended up going with, my top lashes are the UDU style from Kiss, and then my bottom lashes are the lashes from the ABH Norvina line, the Queen style. So overall, I really, really love this palette. I think this might be like a go-to all matte palette for me because it's like the tones that I just love. I kind of wish that this came out a few months ago so like you could get like a full fall use of this, but this is just so, so gorgeous. I'm obsessed. I will say with using the purple shade of the liner, it's not bad. I just need a little bit more like time to like work with a gel liner because I haven't used a gel liner, like I said, in like forever. And this one is a lot more, I don't want to say liquidy, but like it's not as thick as like I'm used to with gel liners, so it takes a second to get used to. And as for these mini lipsticks, they are so cute with how tiny they are. Adorable. They are very, very matte. They are very dry on the lips, but I think if you properly exfoliate and moisturize and everything, you shouldn't have an issue with that. Other than them being like super matte and super dry feeling, they are gorgeous colors. And as for the liquid lipstick set, I know for a fact that I already enjoy the liquid lipsticks from Melt Cosmetics, so I'm super excited for these. Alright, so overall my thoughts on this collection is it is amazing. Melt has been doing some amazing collabs this year. The Nightmare for Christmas, the Halloween Town, the Christmas Town, and now Bailey Sarian. Like, they understand the assignment and they have delivered. I love this. I love this. Since this was just a first impressions video, if you want to see future looks with this, just let me know. I can do a 2 looks video with this, or I can just do some looks over on my TikTok and Instagram. Let me know if you want to see more of this collection, but I am obsessed with it. But I think that's it for this video. Let me know what you think of it. If you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And if you want, you can follow me on my other socials. I'm artistryxashh everywhere. And if you like book content, I am devouring bookishly on TikTok and Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing day or night when you're watching this, and I'll see you all tomorrow for a brand new 25 Days of Christmas video. Bye!
I think that my Christmas has died.